Welcome to My Child Care DC, a free website that helps families find licensed childcare in the District of Columbia. If you're a parent or caregiver, this platform will help you explore childcare facilities, compare options with ease, and connect with high-quality care all in one place. Let's get started. On mychildcare.dc.gov, quick search buttons allow you to easily find a list of licensed facilities that meet your criteria. For example, click the Facilities Accepting Subsidy Vouchers button to quickly access a list of facilities that participate in the Child Care Subsidy Program. You can also search for facilities by name, street address, or zip code. If you want to browse all facilities, simply click Search All Facilities. On the search results page, you can view facility information, including contact information, address, and if they accept vouchers, offer publicly funded pre-K, and more. For more in-depth information, click the Facility Details button to access the facility's profile. There, you'll find hours of operation, languages spoken, and accreditation. You can also view inspection reports. If the facility participates in Capital Quality, which is the district's quality rating and improvement system, you can find additional information about their Capital Quality rating, what that rating means, curriculum, and teachers. You can also compare facilities side by side. Simply click the checkbox next to the facilities you want to compare and click the Compare Facilities button. To find facilities that meet your criteria, click the Refine Search tab. Here, you can customize your search to explore and compare facilities by age, type of care, schedules, location, Capital Quality designation, and available openings. Now let's walk through an example. We'll search for a facility that serves infants and toddlers that is in Ward 5, open from Monday through Friday, and accepts vouchers. By using these specific search filters, we can explore and compare all the childcare providers that meet our criteria. The My Route feature helps you find facilities between two locations. Click on the My Route tab and enter a starting and ending location, for example, your home and work addresses. Now that we have filtered down our search, let's save our results to view again later. By creating a My Child Care DC account, you can save your searches for future use. Click back to the Refine Search tab and then click the Save Search button. You can see all your saved searches as a list underneath the Quick Search feature or on your account page. However, you do not need to create an account to use My Child Care DC. Simplify your search for childcare with My Child Care DC.